It is Sunday. Sunday is Saturday. So yesterday, Friday, was a good day. You would have seen that in my last video. We got the maxi fan done, and then we also got the garage floor done. So got quite a lot done yesterday. Like I said, a maxi fan probably took all day to get that done. Today the goal is to get the bedding done, and then to start paneling some of the wall. So get some of the bottom of the wall paneled, where the units, kitchen units, the power bank in the garage, etc. is going to go, and doesn't really need much from that. So get that done, and then I'm going to start framing the bed really. So where the living space from the bed starts, frame that, and also hopefully, if I got enough wood, frame around the batteries where the power station is going to be in the garage. So that's the plan for today. So let's get into the video. So that is the bedding struts done. So yeah, like I said, back in, these bolts here go straight through the wood and into the frame. Same on the other side and this side for the strong points, and then the other ones are just screwed into the beams running down the middle, and then obviously the brackets screwed onto this nice bit thick of wood. So that's pretty much the bed done now for the garage. Now it is to ply up the bottoms. So there we go, bottom plywood done, runs nice and smooth. Got the outside power cable there, which will get fitted to the power supply once that's put in, and obviously the same this side also. So I'm not going to screw it down just yet because I'm going to fill the back with insulation before screwing it down, and I also want to run cables as well. So like I said, the next stage is electrics, so I want to make sure none of this is screwed down and I'm able to run cables along it. is it for today. Doesn't really feel like it was a productive day compared to yesterday. Like I said, yesterday I got maxi fan, laid the floor, so I seen some change to the van and the van taking shape. Today, not so much. I've still had a full day, so I was at the van 8 a.m. and it's now 4:45. So I had a full day on the van, so a lot's being done, but you don't really see it, like the stuff I've done today. So if I show you, so pretty much like the bed is done now. There, the struts on the floor. We also done the paneling for the front of the bed. Ran out of wood with that, and I'm also trying to so basically comes off the wall, comes down and goes back up. I'm trying to work out how to do that. So I've done the frame, but it's how I get that bend or that curve in the wood, both sides with the thickness. So I haven't really thought of how that's going to happen. I've added wood all the way to the roof, all the way around the van, and you would have seen that piece there is going along there, so you would have seen me do that. So that's pretty much ready to go. That's going to be the back of the overhead lockers, cupboards. So basically once I've ran the wires through all this, then that plyboard can go up and cover all that, and then obviously I can build then the overhead compartments, cupboards, etc. And then I finished off, give the floor another coat of varnish just to waterproof it. It pretty much worked because I spilled some water on it earlier and it just stuck to the surface, like in like raindrop things. Normally the water just goes in, you can see it like soak into the wood. This time it just stayed on top of the wood, which is exactly what I wanted. And then I've also used insulation foam to fill the massive gaps along the floor. So I'll let that set pretty much until I come back now, probably next week after work sometime, and I'll just cut all this away once that's all set. But that's pretty much it today. Probably the next stage is the electrics, I think. So I need to try and work out where all the electrics are going to go, run all the cabling, and then everything in that box needs to go on the wall right there. But I have no idea what I'm doing, so it's probably going to take me a week to do the wiring. But that is it pretty much for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button, also subscribe if you're enjoying the series so far.